Okay, Pragya, we've been speaking about NBCC developing land of PSU companies. The big one is arriving today?
Well, yes, Lata, we understand that NBCC and Air India could sign an MOU today. This would be for the redevelopment of Air India's properties. NBCC will help Air India monetize its surplus land assets. Now, of course, the model and the details, etc., they're still awaited. But what we understand is that land will be Air India's equity, and NBCC will invest in creating any kind of infrastructure on that land. This is the prima facie understanding that we have of this. Now, this is being widely speculated in the media. Air India's name was coming up again and again, but the management had continuously just reiterated, neither confirming nor denying those rumors, saying that they are pursuing some PSUs to develop their land in the real estate markets, like you pointed out. Now, what we understand is that the profit from the assets will be shared as per the equity stake, which is decided beforehand. Of course, this is a huge positive for NBCC. That big business driver that they've been speaking about for so long, that could actually imply projects worth about 30 to 40,000 crores. In different tranches, of course. That's a big kicker for the stock. Now, whether it's a good MOU or a bad MOU will actually be determined on two factors. So we'll have to watch out for when the details come. If NBCC actually takes on some equity stake in the project, because that will make it slightly dampening for the analyst community per se. The other thing to note is that, what are the properties that Air India puts on blocks? What are the kind of geographical location of those properties, which will determine, how big an order inflow opportunity could this be for NBCC. A few months back, Nomura had written a note on this, and they had done some analysis, and they indicated that the development of vacant land could actually translate into almost $1 billion worth of revenue opportunity or order inflow opportunity. So that is the size of order inflows that we're talking about that could be announced.
Thanks a lot.